The Repair Act is critical to allow us to be able to fix cars right the first time and in a timely manner. My name is Dustin Brown.
My name is Nolan Brown, and we own Brown's Automotive here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. And we're very proud in how many cars we're able to service, over 1,000 a month. We're keeping a lot of New Mexicans on the road, and we're keeping them on the road safely.
We have over 47 employees, and we're continuing to add more of those as we work with training, developing, and building more talent in our industry as a whole.
My ultimate goal coming up was to create as many well-paying blue-collar jobs as possible. My grandfather started his original shop in Bosque Farms, New Mexico. The family's been in the Rio Grande Valley here in New Mexico for a very long time. It's very, very important, especially in a large state like ours, for individuals to have access to transportation. Options that are available to individuals that live in the smaller communities around our metropolitan hub here are extremely limited. You have to have the choices in order to keep as many cars safe on the road as possible.
The consumer can't wait weeks and months to get their car fixed. We need the information to be able to fix consumers' problems now.
I'm here to provide a service to the community to keep people safe on the road. And if I can't provide that, I'm going to give recommendations and choices for them to go get that service elsewhere if needed.
Simple repairs such as doing brakes or even changing tires now require access to the computer. If we don't have access to the tools we need to plug into the computer, a lot of time, a lot of money, a lot of resources being wasted.
What are you purchasing when you purchase a new car? Are you just purchasing parts of the car? Because the car in its entirety includes all the engine management system, all the safety management systems.
The consumer purchases the vehicle, they should have the right to determine how to service the vehicle.
Ultimately, the right to repair is to ensure a fair auto repair experience for the consumers. They have the ability to choose where they go and for their own reasons.
The Repair Act is going to help not just the consumer, but it helps everybody. It gives us the information to fix the car right the first time, ensuring confidence and consumer trust not only in us as independents, but also in the manufacturer of the vehicle that they might be driving. So it's best for us to all work together. It's one industry, it's one community, and there's room for all of us. I support the Repair Act because people deserve a choice.
Congress needs to act now.